Let's make a breakfast sandwich. Vegan, of course. What's up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Adam Henderson. Of course, y'all know that by now. And if you're new here, what's up? How you feeling? God bless you. Now you're my friend. Yeah, for those that have been following me for a while, I know it's been a while, but I'm so excited because I got a new vlog today. I haven't made a vegan meal in a while, and this time it's not really a meal, it's a vegan breakfast. I love breakfast. I am a huge breakfast fanatic. I've been making and cooking breakfast for as long as I can remember, to the point that I even got my wife excited about breakfast. And she didn't eat breakfast a lot like that. She wasn't like a big breakfast person until she met this guy right here. So y'all, let's make a breakfast sandwich. Vegan, of course. All right, so I have my just egg, impossible sausage. This is vegan cheese. I think the brand is called Chow. Sweet Earth vegan bacon. Annie's organic vegan flaky biscuit. So I gave you all the ingredients for my vegan breakfast sandwich, and I gotta get everything situated. I try to be as clean as possible, but you know, as you know from my wife, I'm not really that much of a cleaner. I just make a mess and I clean up afterwards. So maybe today will be a little bit different, but excuse my hair, y'all. I just got a haircut yesterday and I just woke up, didn't brush, comb, anything. I just look busted. Who cares? It's just me and you talking. We all right, we good. Let's get started. I guess the first thing I need to decide is what is I'm gonna do first. What is I know I have to make the biscuits. I don't know if I want to make them fresh, you know, because that might be one of the things I do last. And then I also have to make the eggs. Now, usually with just egg, with anything you cook with eggs, you want to make that last. If you cook breakfast with eggs, that's always the last because they can get cool very quickly. And then of course, I have the bacon, which might take the longest. So maybe I should do this first. I was gonna cook this first, the Sweet Earth vegan bacon, but it says basically you just warm it up on the stove. It takes literally 2 minutes to warm this up. So I'm gonna do this like one of the last activities. So with all of that, I think I'm gonna start with my vegan sausage first. From Impossible, made from plants, y'all. My wife and I made tacos last night, and this was so amazing. She put a little bit of this in there. Look at all that. Look at it. All right. So I got a patty like this. I might make them a little bit bigger because I like my patty to be, you know, nice and large. If you can see, I want it to be. It's like kind of, you know, the size of my palm, but I like it to be just a little bit bigger because it's gonna shrink. Pan. And so while that's cooking, I'm going to preheat the oven. It says to preheat the oven to 350. So I'm going to do that. And a non-stick cooking sheet. Non-stick cookie sheet. Place the biscuits 1 inch apart for about 16 to 19 minutes until golden brown, until you desire. So like I said, the vegan bacon literally does not take too long to cook. I'll probably make like 4 pieces. You only need to heat it for about 2 minutes, already pre-cooked. For those that don't like processed stuff, I get it, I understand. And so I'm just gonna heat it for about 2 minutes on each side. Well, actually, yeah, 2 minutes on each side. I'll use my timer to gauge that I have over here. to give it a natural cheese flavor. My wife likes to use nutritional yeast seasoning. Put a little in there. Alright, so breakfast is ready. Got my biscuits, the eggs, sausage, the vegan bacon, everything vegan, of course. So I got my biscuit, right? And I cut it into 3 layers. So I'm making like a little, what do you call it? Big Mac. So I'm putting my sausage on there, and then the first layer, right? And I'm gonna put my bacon. Oh, this is gonna be dope. And then the egg. And for a little flavor, I'm gonna add some jelly. I guess I can also use syrup if I wanted to. And then
we get that
that's
maple
it.
butter in the fridge.
We got maple butter.
Yeah.
I also got vegan maple butter from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. You see it? Maple butter. Shout out to D'Amica Abrams for helping us out with that. So I do want to add that. Maybe I should put that on this layer right here, the maple butter. And that's it. I have my vegan biscuit. Alright, I got my biscuit here. It looks really good. Y'all see that? Oh wow. Love the layers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, most importantly, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Of course, I appreciate y'all for watching. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.